Hello, crafty friends. Hi. You guys are going to be seeing this video on December the 31st, which is New Year's Eve. Wow, guys. What a year. Honestly, I have no words because it was a lots of good, lots of interesting, and lots of maybe I wish it didn't happen this year, but learned a lot, grew a lot, and I hope the same for next year. This challenge, this Christmas challenge, definitely has taught me a lot. I cannot thank you enough for all the love and all the support that you guys gave me. All I can say is thank you, and I hope that I added a little something, you know, and inspired you a little some way. Because I know you all have. Your nice comments, your encouragement, your it's I sometimes it's just I'm lost for words. Recently I had a very special crafty friend reach out to me, and the words that she said to me, I didn't even know, like I don't want to get emotional, but I didn't even know that, like, something so silly, or like a little, I wanted to, film, I'm sorry, I'm getting choked up on my words, but I wanted to open the camera one day, and I just wanted to film. I wanted to be on YouTube, and I didn't know that I could be, or, like I had a lot of purpose. So I really appreciate the kind words, the encouragement. I and I am so happy with the support that we all show one another in this crafty community. It's something else, and I know that I'm not really showing anything just yet in my video, but for those of you who stopped and listened, I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. I can't even collect the words, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed from what I tried to do with my 25 days of craftmas, but didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But stay tuned for more videos, and hopefully next year I can try this again and I'll be more successful with it. I just want, my purpose is, of course, if I'm being honest, I just want to grow on here, doing what I love and turning it into, more of a career-based thing. And that's my truth. But I also want to learn, and I also want to grow and, learn more crafts and arts, and to do things with my hands, and I want to inspire others, and I want to practice on my mental health and show people that it's okay to be, who you are. It's okay to, it's not, it's like, don't let your depression or anxiety or anything stop you from who you want to be. And I just want to encourage growth, and just know that you're in a safe place and you're not alone. and you have some people here with you who will understand and who will be there. So yeah, I just thank you, crafty friends. Thank you, my beautiful people. I will now jump into the video. I am going to show you guys how to make a pocket for your journals or whatever to put scraps in. It's a simple pocket. I kind of was playing with paper one day, and I don't know, it just came to me. So I'm going to show you how I made it. By the way, if you guys are still listening, of course, you're still listening. You want to watch the part of the video where I make the pocket. But today's 2 words will be the, THE, and Christmas. You know how to spell Christmas? Maybe? No? Just in case you don't. CHRISTMAS. Okay. So let's get into the pocket. So the other pocket that I showed you guys in my art journal, this one I used from 6x6 paper. It's a good way to use up your paper, whether it's 6x6, 12x12. This one I actually cut down from a 8.5x11 sheet of Valentine's paper that I had from last year that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this is cut down by 8x8. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see my score marks. You do not, and I repeat, you do not need a scoreboard for this. Actually, you need minimal craft supplies for this, depending on how you want to decorate it and how you want to do it. So what you're gonna do with this is, first we're gonna take the paper here and we're going to fold it like a hot dog. So this is what they used to say to me in like elementary school or junior high or high school even. We fold the paper as a hot dog. Okay, so because it's long side. And then we're gonna fold the paper again like a hamburger. Okay, so I'm gonna get it to be as straight as possible. Okay, so now that you have it, like, again, you fold it in half like a hot dog and then fold it again like a hamburger. You are going to take the hamburger where you flipped it like a hamburger and you're gonna pull it up. Okay, you're gonna pull it up halfway. So you are going to open up the flap like this, and you are just going to press down. So I would make sure you fold a corner on the corner on each side and press down like this. I hope this is making sense, y'all. And then corner on the corner again. And yeah, if you guys had a tool to burnish this, or you could just do it with your fingers, that would be good right now. So we've created a triangle this way. So now all you're gonna do is you're just going to match up the other corner with this corner. So if you're working with with pattern paper, just know that some of your pattern is gonna be upside down, and this is gonna be right side up. Here we have a pocket, and then we have another pocket, a hidden pocket. So what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna fold these back, take my tape runner, and just tape it from top to bottom, like that. And then you're gonna tape it again. And you could probably, if you taped it a certain way, you could probably get more pockets out of it. Like if you want some inserts or something. But I just did the double corner pocket with the hidden pocket in the middle. So there we go. I'm just gonna put a little tape in here to close off my pocket. Okay. So, I mean, if you didn't stick this all this way down, you could have a pocket in here. And then you have double pockets, so you can stick something inside of it. See here, I made another one. So I got the double pockets in here. Yeah, so see, you can stick your pocket inside your pocket. And then there's your hidden pocket right here. Or this is your available pocket. And then this is your hidden pocket, the backed up pocket. And then there's, if you didn't stick this all the way down, you could stick something in here. Yeah, that's the basic pocket here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video and got something out of it. Again, I appreciate all the love and support. And I gave you guys your words, so that means I can tell you that I want you guys to always remember to be beautiful, because you cannot be beautiful without being you. And, well, you is in the word of beautiful, so that's enough said, and thank you. Later.